Hello everyone. Now I am going to show you a simple Spring standalone application where I am going to use Spring application context file. So let's get started. The first thing is the environmental setup, the prerequisites. So there are quite a few prerequisites we need. The first thing was the JDK install in your computer and the Spring jar file and the common login jar file and an Eclipse IDE. These are the only prerequisites. Now let's start doing the application. The first step is to create a Java project. So go to your Eclipse and right click new Java project. So I am naming it as Spring IOC and just leave the remaining settings as it is to create a main class and a bean class. So go to your source folder to create new class. Check the main method checkbox and I am naming it as Spring IOC main. And declare a package. Now I am going to create a interface. Let's say the name of the interface is message. And I am going to declare a method just returns a string like get message. Now I am going to create an implementation class for the interface. Just name it as display message. Which implements message. And I am going to return a string. Just say Spring IOC configured successfully. Now the third step is to create a context file. Just go to your source folder, right click, new file context.xml, and this is going to have all the Spring configurations for the bean. Create a bean with ID message, and this ID is going to be used in our main class for referring the bean. And class is the implementation class which we want to create object. It's com array rating sort Spring IOC display message. So we have configured. Now add the context file to class path folder. As source is the class path folder, so the context file is already in our class path folder. Now we are going to add these Spring jars to our application. So go to your project, right click, configure build path. Now add the Spring libraries to it. And also we need the common login for jar file. And the next thing is to load the application context in our main class and get the for this I am going to create an application context object. Let us say the object name is context, and I am going to get this context object from class path XML context, wherein I am going to give the path of the context file. So our context file is in the class path, directly in the class path folder, so I am going to give it as context.xml. And once we get the context object, we are going to get the message object from the context. So I am going to say message object, typecasting the object, context dot get bean, where you are going to give the ID which we have declared in the context.xml for getting the object. And now I am going to output the message where we are going to get by the method. Say that message dot get message, and just execute the program. Wherein we can see the message displaying call string IOC configured successfully. So by this we can say that we have successfully configured string IOC in a standalone application. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening to the tutorial. And the source code you can find it at rwritings.com. Please hit like below.